Did you know that the way you cook your meals can have a big impact on your health? Are you familiar with the different cooking techniques that can make your meals healthier? Cooking techniques play a critical role in determining the nutritional quality of the meals we consume. Here are some of the healthy cooking techniques you can use to prepare your meals. Grilling. Grilling is a popular cooking method that involves cooking food on a grate over an open flame. This technique can be a great way to cook meats, poultry, and vegetables, as it allows the excess fat to drip away from the food, making it healthier. Baking. Baking is another healthy cooking technique that can be used to prepare a wide range of foods, including meats, fish, vegetables, and grains. It involves cooking food in an oven, using dry heat, which helps to retain the nutrients and natural flavors of the food. Roasting. Roasting is a similar cooking technique to baking, but it typically involves cooking food at a higher temperature. This method can be used for meats, poultry, and vegetables, and it can create a delicious crispy exterior while retaining the moisture inside. Sautéing. Sautéing involves cooking food in a small amount of oil over high heat. This method is perfect for vegetables, and it allows them to retain their nutrients and natural flavors. Steaming. Steaming is a gentle cooking technique that involves cooking food over boiling water. This method is ideal for vegetables and fish, as it helps to preserve their texture and nutrients. Boiling. Boiling involves cooking food in a large amount of water. While this method can cause some nutrients to be lost, it can be a healthy way to cook vegetables, grains, and pasta. By choosing the right cooking technique for your meals, you can maximize their nutritional value while still enjoying delicious and flavorful food. So, next time you cook, consider these healthy cooking techniques to prepare a meal that is both tasty and nutritious.